And thanks so much for joining us on this Monday afternoon. I'm Jonathan Martin. Well, history being made inside a New York courtroom today as jury selection gets underway in the first ever felony trial of a former U.S. president. Jay Gray has a closer look at what to expect as this case against former President Donald Trump unfolds.
Barricades up around this Manhattan courthouse, high security and high drama as history begins to unfold inside. Handful of protesters on both sides of this controversial case outside as President Trump arrived this morning and spoke briefly before entering the courthouse.
There is no case, and they've said it. People that don't necessarily follow or like Donald Trump said this is an outrage that this case was brought. This is political persecution. This is a persecution like never before. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. And again, it's a case that should have never been brought. It's an assault on America. And that's why I'm very proud to be here.
The former president faces 34 counts of falsifying business records to conceal damaging information and unlawful activity from voters ahead of the 2016 election. And of course, a lot of it centers on his alleged affair with former adult film star Stormy Daniels and hush money payments to Daniels. He says that he never had that affair and that none of the payments were illegal. We know that this trial could continue for months here in New York. Today, jury selection begins. A pool of 500 potential jurors in the initial round as they try to find 12 jurors and 6 alternates. They'll be asked a litany of questions, more than 40 to begin with, including questions about their political beliefs and any political organizations they may belong to, if they had prior knowledge of the accusations against Mr. Trump, and of course if they can be impartial in this first of its kind case. That's the latest from here in New York right now. I'm Jay Gray. Back to you.